Hello guys, in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to add music bots to your own Discord server. Let's begin. First, open your First, open Discord clients. Then I want you to select your server, right? So here, and then click on the drop down, and then go to app directory. Over here, go to the search box and look for Jackie Music. Okay, click on this very first option. Then just click on Add Application. Here, make sure to select the appropriate server and then click on Continue. Then Authorize, and everything should now be good to go once you have confirmed this. So now we can now go back to our server and we should now be able to see Jockey Music being added. Now, next, what you need to do is go to your browser and look for Jockey Music commands. So I'm going to show you Jockey Music commands. Hit enter and click on the official website. Over here, you will see a full list of commands you can utilize on your server. All right. Now, going back to your own server, it will list some basic commands you can choose from. And to do this, make sure you will follow exclamation mark play, and then what you need to do is you need to find a song and copy the link. For example, we can go to Spotify, right? Pick any song, right click and choose the three dots to reveal more options. Go to share, copy, linked song, go back to your server, and then just paste the link over here, hit enter. Okay? Now, make sure you are in a voice channel. As you can see, it shows in here it didn't play because I am not on a voice channel. So go to any voice channel. If you're going to do it right over here, I'm going to select this. Then I'm going to do the command again, hit enter, and there you go. It is now successfully played in our own Discord server. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.